we did that. Now let's go and do a apply. Should take a little bit of time. There you go. It's going to create the VPC, the subnets, Elastic IP, the routes, NAT gateway, route tables. Okay. Okay, so it's taking some time to create this gateway. Once that is done, we'll take a look at the interface to see what was created. And we'll wrap this video up. Yeah, it's still creating it, the NAT gateway. So if you did walk through the manual process, all this was done manually, takes some time, and it's not repeatable. So if you have an error, you have to debug it. But with the infrastructure as a code, as you see here, you code it, and you can reset, destroy, and reset up your environment, and you have the modules can be shared among projects. So infrastructure is a code. I would say definitely use the infrastructure as a code when doing this. For anyone who worked at the network operations center or does work as an engineer in that environment, when you start to use a lot of manage a lot of resources across networks, you know how crazy that can be. All right, so there you go. We have our VPC, and there you go. We added 2 subnets. We added our route table, and look at that. We added our network connections, public, private, and internet gateway, NAT gateway, subnet. So let's do a refresh here. VPC subnets. Okay, there you go. Sometimes the refresh just doesn't do well, and there you go. I have the 2 subnets. I add labels. These were defaults when they created the account. Okay, route table. There you go. Those were my 2 route tables I created, and the subnets that they're associated with. Internet gateway, that's the internet gateway, and the NAT gateway. There you go. So those were all created. Connectivity to public. Okay. All right. So that wraps up. Let's take a run through of the code real quick. All we did was update our VPC model, and we added the NAT gateway. Talks about what NAT gateway is, what internet gateway is, and route table associated with the gateways. We dropped in the resources for building the resources, the internet gateway resource, Elastic IP needed for the NAT gateway because it requires an EIP associated with them in order for them to talk to the outside world. And Elastic IP doesn't change. They're assigned, and that's why there's some heavy cost to that. So the static IP, the one that's just assigned by the AWS infrastructure or any cloud provider, is will change over time when you destroy it and so forth. So this is why you got to be careful when you not to destroy them, because you can affect your network. You can affect a lot of applications that rely on having these IP addresses. Okay, private, public route, private route, and do the associations. All right, so that wraps it up for that. Let's destroy, and remember, you want to definitely destroy your resources because you don't want to have that cost hitting you. Okay, so yes, it uses the same plan, and it goes through and it starts destroying. Okay, need to make sure it's destroying it. Okay, it's still working. Okay, let's take a destroy 12 resources. So let's see. Let's go to the console and take a look. Okay, there you go. It's gone. VPC is gone. Let's double check. Subnets are gone, and route tables are gone. See, this is how easy. This is the beauty of having, and this is my default internet gateway, and an elastic IP, none, NAT gateway. Let's make sure, and it's deleted. It's just gonna take some time to go away, but it's marked as deleted. Okay, so I won't have to worry about um, you know eh, I'm being charged for something that's definitely not there anymore. Okay, my VPC is gone. All right, so that wraps it up for the second in 3 series of video for this section here, where we covered gateways, internet gateways, NAT gateways, elastic IP, route, and route association, routes, private and public. All right. In our next video, we will look at adding an EC tool to the environment, to the subnet within our availability zone, which is within the VPC. We'll also add security groups, private and public, um, using the infrastructure code. Again, thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.